video, I want to tell you about my dream country, which is Singapore, the density of global apple. Why I choose Singapore? Because Singapore has history, which this city is from fishermen become a metropolitan country. Oh, the geography and environment, Shipping Garden. Situated at the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula, Singapore is a compact island nation of just 733 square kilometers. Its position at the crossroads of the major Indian Ocean and South China Sea shipping routes has made it one of the world's most vital maritime hubs for centuries. So, the Singapore is placed in the in the path of economy world. Green by design, Singapore is globally recognized for its unwavering commitment to sustainability and urban greening. Iconic landmarks like gardens by the bay and the southern which showcase how nature and city life intertwine. Its tropical rainforest climate brings lush greenery, consistent warmth around 27 until 31 Celsius and abundant rainfall year round, making it one of the world's most abundant urban environment. Then I'm going to show you about how Singapore become a city in a garden.
Wow.
So this place is Singapore Botang Garden. In this video, we show how Singapore can become a city in a garden, not garden in the city.
Sir, what are you reading? Comic.
This is the overview of the city like a garden. You can see people like to visit the Singapore because it's city. Mekonya. So if I'm wrong, the name is Raffles. So Raffles when arrived in Singapore, the Singapore is a land of forest. Just how far you see the Singapore just green. Not there is no many building or something. And then Raffles have innovation to make a city that is combined with a garden. But the ecosystem of nature, like the plants and the animals, is maintained.
Next.
Okay, maybe that is all. Then move to culture and society, melting pot of tradition. Singapore's greatest strength lies in its extraordinary cultural diversity, with Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Eurasian communities living side by side. The nation has cultivated a unique social fabric built on mutual respect and shared identity. So in Singapore there is 4 language. The first language for school, working, it's still English, not the other. And there is other language like Chinese, Malay, and Indian. Malay become the national language because its history.
Your IP presentation video in Google.
China's heritage, the largest ethnic group contributing Confucian values, Taoist and Buddhist tradition, environment celebrations like Chinese New Year. Malay roots. As the indigenous
Fill the form.
community, Malays contribute deeply to
IP
Singapore's
presentation.
national identity,
Google
language,
Form.
and cultural ceremonies, including Hari Raya Puasa. Indian influence. Little India pulls with vibrant across aromatic spices and rich tradition. Tamil, Telugu, and Hindi communities celebrate Deepavali and Thaipusam with great fervor. And 4 official languages with English. English serves as the lingua franca of business and governance, while Malay, Mandarin, and Tamil hold equal official status, reflecting the nation's inclusive ethos. Nah, as you can see, there is a sign with 4 of the language. The first one is Singapore, and then Chinese, and then Melayu or Malay, and the last is Tamil or Indian. Okay, next. Food dining, a culinary paradise. Hawker culture. Singapore's hawker center are UNESCO recognized cultural treasures, from the iconic Hainanese chicken rice and aromatic laksa to the very tangy chili crab. This open-air food courts deliver world-class flavors at remarkably affordable prices, often under $5 a plate. They are the great equalizers of Singapore society. Their walk of life gathered to it. Nah.
Mirza,
Buat
IP presentation.
uploading di YouTube saya.
Not yet.
Yes, but this is not uploading.
Finish or not yet?
Record finish. Nah, in this video there is a
Upload finish.
someone
Upload.
go to the mall and then he go to the restaurant of hawker culture.
Oh,
As you can see, there is a
oh.
And this put the Singapore street food scene on the map.
Street food.
So I'm not
This is the food of hawker
street food,
culture.
Because actually this is a shopping.
Hawker.
It's actually nice to have American lifting up.
As you can see, there is a chicken rice.
Food, it is or it was Michelin food. And it's
That's so big.
absolutely delicious. I think the processes they go
This is
through
the
just generate
feedback from the
fantastic
someone
dishes
who's
all the time again. You might just dig into this. Just
Oh, so
There is
tasty. My God.
there is
Delicioso.
chicken, egg, rice, and vegetable,
And bacon.
bacon.
quick look, chicken breast. I don't think I've ever had a grilled skin-on chicken
Can I-
breast that tastes juicy,
39 by the way.
It's just absolutely fantastic, and then this sort of
Maybe continuous life.
Mhm.
Economy,
It is
innovation.
Economy and innovation, of course, because the Singapore, although it's a small country, but the economic innovation is so great. Singapore consistently ranks among the world's most competitive economies, a remarkable achievement for resource care Iceland that gained independence just over 5 decades ago. Next, just the work in Singapore, from UNESCO recognized hawker stalls to Michelin star kitchen in Singapore. Food culture is a mirror of itself, diverse, bold, and endlessly
Invented.
inventive. And then fun fact and tradition. The Merlion. Singapore's beloved national icon is the Merlion.
Mythical.
With the head, lion, and the body is like a fish.
Represent.
Merlion, why? Because like the name is Singapura, so Singa, and why the body is fish? Because
Fishing
From-
village.
start it was a fisherman country, and then time by time it turns into a economy and innovation city. It's a very pioneer, urban biodiversity leader, and a festival for every season. There is a illustration picture about the Merlion. The Merlion stands watch over Marina Bay, half lion, half fish, embodying the spirit of a nation that transformed humble origins into one of the world's greatest success stories. This is the vision, doubling digital leadership and economic inequality. Singapore, where innovation meets tradition. Legacy of resilience, from a sleepy fishing village to a thriving first world nation in a single generation. Singapore's story is one of extraordinary vision, discipline, and adaptability. It proves that size is no barrier to greatness. Singapore seamlessly weaves its rich multicultural heritage into a forward-looking national identity, whether through world-class infrastructure, vibrant cultural life, or bold economic strategy. The Lion City remains one of the world's most stable, dynamic, and inspiring nations, a model for the 21st century and beyond. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.